In this video, I will show you how to play Runes of Legend on PC. This should be a quick and easy tutorial to follow, but before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. Even though Runes of Legend is an Android game, it's absolutely possible to play this on PC or even a Mac using something called BlueStacks. BlueStacks is an app player that allows you to play Android games on your PC. So to get started, what you want to do is come down beneath this video, and in the video description, you're going to want to click onto the link, which is going to take you directly to the download page for Runes of Legend. Now on here, you're going to see a button to say which says play on PC, download and play. Give that a click, and what that's going to do is download the BlueStacks installer onto your PC. Once that's downloaded, give it a click, and what you want to do is run through the steps to install BlueStacks on your PC. Once you've done that, click the blue launch button, and that's going to launch BlueStacks onto your PC. Now once BlueStacks launches through, if you did click the link in the description, it's going to take you directly to the download page for Runes of Legend. At this point, all you need to do is simply click onto install from Google Play. At this point, you'll be taken to a page like this for Runes of Legend. This is the app page, and what you can do is click the blue install button here. And what that's going to do is start downloading and installing Runes of Legends, so you can start playing out on your PC with BlueStacks. Once Runes of Legend has finished installing, it should automatically launch. So what we're going to do is just agree and close and agree to the terms of service and things like that. And then I'm going to sign in with my Google account. Now I just want to show you guys how this plays on BlueStacks, just so you can see how amazing this emulator actually is. It's really, really good and very sharp, very smooth. There's no lag or anything. So let's go ahead and choose our character. So I'm going to go for this guy here. As you can see, I'm actually using my mouse as well, which is another great benefit. You don't have to use a touchscreen, which, if like myself, you don't get on with touchscreen, is absolutely brilliant. So as you can see, I'm using my mouse to control the game, and we're just going around now. And you can see it's running absolutely fine, no problem at all. And that is how to play Runes of Legend on PC. That being said, if this tutorial did help you out today, then I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.